Good afternoon and welcome to PGTV. Today we're fishing Christchurch Harbour on kayaks. I'm here with my friend Bob and we're just out here spinning for sea trout, and possibly there might be the odd thin-lip mullet. This is the mepps I'm using. It's a mepps 2 and it's a copper, and fishing 8-pound line on my spinning rod all the way through, and this is the kayak that I'm fishing with. It's a purpose-built fishing kayak. And we're going to start just in the harbour here, down here, and work our way down and just see how we get on. Right, we're just about on high water. Catch the fish on the flood and on the ebb. So, ooh, thought I had a little knock there, a little touch. So, working it nice and through. I've put a little 1 ounce swan shot on top of the swivel, just to get it down and for castability, and flicking it out, give it 3 or 4 second countdown, let it go down, and then just retrieving, and retrieving. Oh, fish on, yep, fish on. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we're just kayak fishing out here in the harbour. Second cast, I'm out here with Bob Smith. I've got a 2.5 to 3 pound sea trout on here. It's a beautiful fish. Very nice fish, here we go. Oh, it's a beauty. Very acrobatic. Right, see if we can play him up to this side. He's coming in this side. Splashed me in the boat, but there he is. He's beautiful. There he is. It is. It's about 2.5 to 3 pounds. It's a good sized sea trout. Just loosen off the drag. Here he is. He's getting on for 2 to 3 pounds. So we just slide him in. Isn't he beautiful? He's beautiful. Oof. Oh, he's gone again. Oh, he's gone again. He's not ready yet. There he comes. Right, it's about 2.5 pounds, I'd say. He's a beauty. Really beautiful fish. Still got plenty of fight in him there, Bob. That's okay, we'll bring him in. He's okay. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. He's a beauty, absolute beauty. He's about 3 pounds. There he is. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 3 pound sea trout. An absolute beauty. How about that, Bob? Stunning fish. Right, let's get the hooks out. He nailed the mepps 2. Get these hooks out. Hooks are out. And there we have him, 2.5 to 3 pound sea trout. And we'll slip him back. There he goes. Wow, how about that? We'll bring you the wildlife here on below Tuckton Bridge.
I suppose he's only trying to get by like everyone else.
Yep, that's a, Well, that's the closest I've ever got to a cormorant, I must admit, without him jumping off. And if I had my zoom camera, I think it might be a shag actually. That's a shag. It's not a cormorant, it's a shag, I think. Or is it a cormorant?
Is that not a cormorant?
I think it is a cormorant, yeah. I thought it might have been a shag, but it's a cormorant.
Well, what's this other one?
This one here, this guy is a big black-headed gull. They're one of the biggest gulls we've got in the UK. Right, we've got a perch, ladies and gentlemen. We have just caught a perch in the harbour. That's a surprise. How about that? We've got freshwater fish in here as well. So we'll have those out. Carefully does it. And that's just nailed. It's a forceps jobby, I think. Get the forceps on that. Swallowed it right down. Coming out. Just one stuck in there now. Now she comes and hooks her out. Let's have a look at this lovely harbour perch. Look at that pristine condition perch. Isn't that beautiful? And there we go. Off he goes.